Good morning students. So today's subject English and today we are going to see the lesson Go and Come. Okay, while reading I will explain you what the lesson is about. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Means once there was a small boy who lived in a beautiful small cottage. Means mostly where do you see the cottages? Means where do you see the small houses? In the rural areas, mostly in the villages. There was a lovely garden around her cottage. Means around this cottage there was a beautiful lovely garden. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. As you know, if you are having a garden, so you need to take care of that. So there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. Means the plants need a water, so you need to water them every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. Manure means what? Material mixed with the soil that will help the plant to grow from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at right time. Pruned means what? Removing dead and unwanted parts of a plant to that will help them to grow. The garden needed weeding. Weeding means what? Removing unwanted plants from a field or a garden. Means removing the unwanted plants from the garden and cleaning the garden. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of a garden. Means everybody from the family used to help the little boy to take care of the garden. So the boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. Means the boy was having one uncle who came to his house for few days, and he was very strict. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day, he saw that a boy was playing around in the house. So, little boy said the uncle. The uncle called that little boy. You will be far better at work. Means what? Uncle called the little boy and said it will be better, instead of playing, you just go and do some work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child. Means uncle called him while he was playing, and uncle told him that instead of playing, you just do some work. As you know, your garden needs weeding sadly. Weeding sadly means what? Weeding means what? Removing unwanted plants from a field of a garden. And sadly means what? Mostly needed to remove that unwanted plants. So he said to him that instead of playing, you just come and remove the unwanted plants from the garden. Go now and weed it like a good child, he said to him. He ordered him. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. But the little boy does not feel to do means to remove the unwanted plants from that day. I can't do it, he said. Little boy said, no, I can't do it today. Oh, yes, you can, said the uncle. What his uncle said? Oh, yes, you can. Well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy. What did little boy said? Well, I don't want to, not just now. Means he said that I don't want to do right now. But you must, said his uncle. What did his uncle said? No, you must do right now. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. Means what his uncle said again? Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. His uncle ordered that don't be like a naughty. Go and do your work. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. As he was hard-working, so he went to his room and he went and go on working his own work. But the little boy sat still. Means the little boy did not move from there. He was just sitting there. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. Means he was feeling that his uncle should not behave with like this. He should not ordered him like this. His chin began to wobble. Wobble means what? Have you seen small children when they cry? How does their lips start moving? In such a wobble means that. And he had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Eyes welled up means what? Tears started coming from his eyes. Just then his mother walked in. Just then his mother came to him. What's the matter, little boy? His mother asked. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? So that boy's mother asked him that why you're looking so unhappy. So he replied to his mother, Uncle told me to weed the garden. What did little boy say to his mother? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Oh, said his mother. What? Oh, said his mother. What fun that will be. What his mother said? Oh, so his mother said to him that, oh, that's the fun to do that work. I love to weed and it's such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed. So what his mother asked to him, come on, I will help you. Come, we will go and do weeding today. Why? Yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. The boy get up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. So this is all about the lesson. Okay, you understand this lesson? Yes or no? I hope so. You might have understand the lesson.